sun is out. Hello guys, this is Mrs. O. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. I hope you are doing well. And guys, another morning for my me time. It's cooler. It's like I thought it's warmer, so that's why I'm wearing this kind, you know. And it's tolerable, so let's see. So let's go guys, join with me. Another me time. Let's go. Hello guys, good morning. Mrs. O here. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So excuse of my hair dough. This is the kind of hair dough when you are ready to do laundry. So laundry hair dough, but not really perfect guys. So I have a short hair. Some of my hair is still not equally long. So yes guys, I am here in my me time. It's very important, and you too, you should find time for your me time to muni in our life, dahil because I'm trying to speak in English guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na. And yeah, for everyone can understand, I am trying, okay? Arte-arte lang. Anyway, yes, you should find time for yourself, because it's very important, to muni, to reflect. So much going on in your life, or just simply you need a break, to get some fresh air is so very important, and yeah, just to as mama, we have so much in our plate. Right? And it's like if we can only cover everything, we will do, that's our natural being a mom. It's like, yes. And guys, the weather is really well. The sun is kind of trying to come out, and I hope he will really decide to come out for me. I need the sunshine, because sunshine makes us happy, right? And yeah, it was cooler, and I thought it's warmer, but not so warm, but it's just like enough for me to tolerate. And when I get out of the house, it was like, oh wow, cooler breeze. And then, oh gosh, I am tired to go inside again and to change. So I said maybe I can handle this. And I am whispering while I was doing my mid time. I'm whispering that hopefully the sun will shine, and finally finally he shined for me. Oh my god, see guys. So just keep praying. Everything really we have to pray, right? So yes, good morning sunshine. Thank you. Guys, we really have to talk the nature, and it will listen to you, believe me. But anyway guys, yes, we need me time to think things over. And if it's so noisy around us, you can think, right? It's like if it's a lot of distractions around you, you can think. So my me time is very important, not just to think things over, just simply relax and just simply not thinking at all, just enjoying the moment. And with the fresh air in the morning, and if you have a sunshine there you go. And yes, our weather, guys, starting feeling cooler. I would say not cold, cold, but who knows? Our weather here is unpredictable. You know, in one day, sometimes we can have the four seasons in one day. So yeah, that's the good thing in my area. You know, I'm loving it. You know. All right, so let's go, and I really hope that I have enough room for we can chit chat more. And also, guys, oh my goodness, guys, I forgot about the inspection of my car, and it's already expired. It should be done last month. No, actually in July, because it says here 7/23. Oh my god, can you imagine? I don't I didn't notice it, guys. So it's hard to get what you call it, appointment, and I called yesterday. Oh gosh, can you imagine, guys? Well, it happens, you know. I'm forgetful, and sometimes we just ignore our what's in front of us, you know. But yes, it's too busy. My life lately, it's too so busy. So yeah, you know, my freshman in college, you know, needs assistance and everything for her to in to those excuse me, enrollment time, you know. So yeah, so much, but we're okay. We made it. I would say we made it. Thanks be to God, you know. This is my first time to have a college, and here is so different, you know. Oh gosh, I was also, you know, with her brainstorming, guys. It was so very interesting, you know, how it is here to enroll in college, you know. So much, what you call it, not just like money and your report card. What you call it? Oh my god, I can't get the word again. You know, so you know what I mean, you know. A transcript, that's the word. There you go. So yeah, I thought it's just, you know, transcript and then you're done, but no, guys. They ask you to make an essay and all of that and all of that. But so yep, she made it. I am happy of listening to her story. On her first day, she really had fun, and the second day she had fun, you know. So yes, guys, my girl is so introvert, and knowing she is in homeschool for 5 years, so it's very different. So I would say convince, the word pushing her to push her in a real world, you know, because she can't stay in the house, you know, forever. So I am the one that really keep on pushing her, you know, that she will be okay, she will be fine, and she will enjoy, and I am right. So, and also as a mama, we have to what you call it, to pray, you know, because it's our under our control or beyond our control. Once they are in the university, all we can pray, and you know, that they can find the good friends that are good influence, you know. And yeah, it was so very interesting. I prayed so hard to Mama Mary that send her a good people around her, you know, that she will enjoy on her, you know, first day in school. And yeah, she found a good friends, you know. So that's the good thing, you know. So yep, she's enjoying. So that's all about it for my the reason behind of my, you know, being busy lately. Of course, we are a mother, you know. We want everything. If we can just smooth out everything, right, guys? We will do it, right? But again, it's not perfect. It's always, there is a bumpy road, and I hope it will not bumpy forever, you know. But yep, that is the good thing of life, guys, right? so much life, so full of life, I would say. So yes guys, so I will go now and drive more. So let's go, and I hope I really have I hope I have enough room here for we can chit chat while I am driving. So yes guys, let's go. I am just here in my favorite park guys. This is just so close to our place. So yep, muni excuse me. I hope no soul coming out here. I hope you can't see my soul. Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go.